This is my 388 small block Chevy Stroker. I purchased a complete 350 engine that was in pretty bad shape. Tore it down, sent the block to the machine shop, had them bore it 60 over, line bore it. Before they did all that, of course, they oven baked it, shot blasted it, and did a few other things to it. Purchased a 383 small block Chevy Stroker kit from White Performance out of Tennessee. Scat 9000 crank, probe forged pistons, 2 valve relief, king bearings, H-beam connecting rods, and a Howard's cam, Hastings rings, and a Pro Street harmonic balancer. Bought a Pete Jackson gear drive kit for it also separately from a local guy on Craigslist. This block is going to be going in a 1977 K30 1-ton crew cab 4-wheel drive truck. Just finished up clearancing the block for the connecting rod screws or bolts. Each one of them is more than 60 thousandths over. Didn't hit any water jackets, so everything went great. It's a little tight. Needs broke in. My next step is to take the engine apart, or take the bottom end apart, and need to plastic gauge everything. I just had to put it all together to clearance the block. Take it all apart, plastic gauge it, then take it all back apart after all the bearing tolerances are correct. Go with the assembly lube and order some more parts. So hopefully I'm looking to get some 64cc aluminum heads and Pro Comp heads, and hopefully it'll make some good power. I'll update once the engine is in the truck, and I'll make a video of hopefully some burnouts or just running it down the street.